Yes, sir. We back. Hey, what better time than to do a 1 month review on our eBay wire harness? What better time to do it? Hey, well, let's get it. Yup. Y'all see it. We still tore down. But guess what? We gonna still give y'all a review. I ain't forget about y'all, man. We still gotta get that right. I got some new notes, man. Them notes that I had written down, that's what stopped me in the last video. But yeah, man, we about to get back to the video, man. Let's get it. Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. Y'all like to see this. Y'all like a damn cold start. Oh, y'all like cold start. eBay wire harness. Tell y'all we still got stuff to do, huh? But y'all like a cold start, right? So let's cold start it. Better time to do a review. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Yo, man. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84 Cutty, man, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you haven't already, man, please make sure y'all hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, we back for a 1 month review, man, on our eBay wire harness, man. Yep. Sparrow still tore down, man, but we still about to ride, man. Y'all know I don't care, man. It don't bother me, huh? Some stuff don't bother me like it bother y'all, man. So we just gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we gonna get on the road, man. It's about to rain out here too. So let's get it. Alright? Alright, y'all, let's ride.
Cutlass. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call my Sparrow cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Till sun dark, you can't see the seats. That's why I Cutlass. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. Yeah, I call my Sparrow cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Till sun dark, you can't see the seats. That's why I Cutlass. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again.
Y'all already know who it is. This your boy. I'm about to run in here right quick. I'll be right back. How many y'all out there got an old school and all you wanna do is just ride? It don't matter where you ride, you just wanna ride. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Hey, maybe just the weekend, but all you wanna do is just ride. Hey, well if you feel it, put your hands in the air and wave it from side to side. Yes sir, cause all you wanna do is just ride. So go ahead and grab your keys, tell your old man and tell your old lady you'll be back. You just wanna ride. Cause if you got an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all.
We just wanna ride, y'all.
So if you got
Later that same evening,
an old school, then you got the old school blues. We just wanna ride, y'all.
We just wanna ride.
Yes sir, we bite. Get up out of here so we can finish this review on this eBay wire harness. Talk to me. I had to pull up to the gas station and get my You know what I mean? get a truck up there, man. Come on, man. Come on, 300, man. You stupid ass. Man, you a dumb motherfucker. Hey. Yeah, man, but this eBay wild harness, man, ain't too bad, bro. For real, for real. Ain't too bad. Got sparrows still out here in these streets. You know what I mean? Ain't too bad. We out here. But yeah, man. This eBay wire harness ain't too bad, man. I don't know what y'all be having going on. Talk about the eBay wire harness. Y'all eBay wire harness, y'all caught on startup. How? Why? I can tell you why. You know what? I can tell you why. Cause y'all don't want to read. Y'all don't want to do no research. Y'all don't want to do none of that. And I can tell y'all the biggest problem that some of y'all having, right? Let me tell you one thing. I got a drive-by wire setup. So my drive-by wire setup is way different from your drive-by cable, right? So I'm gonna tell y'all something about y'all drive-by cable people who having problems with y'all wire harness. You know why you having problems? Cause y'all need to quit ordering LS1 harnesses for them truck motors y'all trying to put in these damn projects. Do some research, man. Alright? How you gonna put a Camaro harness on a dang on truck harness? I mean truck motor. You can't. I was about to say it's not possible because they're making it possible. That's why y'all gotta repin everything, man. Like I didn't have to repin nothing on here. You know what I mean? Plug and play. Y'all gotta then do some research, man. When y'all ordering stuff, man, y'all just looking at the colors. Y'all looking at the what plugs dang it has or whatnot. But listen. Shouldn't have to dang on use no adapters for y'all injectors or none of that. I ain't use no adapters. See, y'all gotta pay attention. That's what the problem is with y'all wire harnesses, man. And y'all be on Willie Rebuild, got dang on videos when he been dropping them about the eBay wire harnesses. Yep, I tell him I bet gonna get on y'all ass. I tell him that. He already I know. So that's why I'm calling his name. So he ain't even throwing no shots. But I see y'all in the comments though. About these eBay wire harnesses. Hey, this a 1 month review. Hey man, maybe if y'all did some research, y'all wouldn't have the problem y'all having. And then, even with that, y'all can still follow Willie Rebuild goddamn on recipe and goddamn still fuck it up. Cause y'all still don't want to do no research. Y'all want to sit there and watch that man goddamn turn wrench, do this, do that, and the third, ask him a question that he just put the video out about. Y'all ain't want to do no homework. Y'all want the damn answers to be right in the front of y'all. Bet that's why some of y'all fail school. Cause y'all ain't want to go there and research the answers. Y'all goddamn mess up a goddamn open book test. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, I'm about to get on y'all ass. Fuck that. Listen, ain't nothing wrong with the eBay wire harnesses. Do the research and get you the right harness, and I promise you it'll work. Mine's working, and I don't gotta be out here goddamn on driving my car every day. Cause if you look back, I say if you look back, you will see I've been out here. This ain't just thought. I've been out here. I take my car apart dang on just cause dang on I wanted to. You know what I mean? Like for real, I had no reason to take my car apart. That factory harness been doing just fine, perfect. Why wouldn't it? You know what I mean? I did this for y'all right here. Cause I keep hearing everybody say, man, the wire harness is messed up. The wire harness that is third, man. How? I plugged mine up. That joker cranked right up the first time I plugged it up. Hooked it up on the motor. Like, ain't been nothing. Ain't had to get a goddamn queen it with each other. None of that. You know what I mean? eBay wire harness, $100. And I'm still out here running. And y'all still out there running y'all mouth. Y'all car ain't running yet. Y'all ain't doing nothing. Huh? Quit running y'all mouth, man, and show me something. Y'all always think, oh, the weed been higher than Hey, y'all see where I'm at. And I'm back home with it. Still out here. I don't got no gauges. I don't got no gauges. How I ain't got no gauges? But listen, I know my car. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Dang, y'all done make my damn thing fall down. Look at it. It's alright though. It's alright. It's alright. We ain't tripping. Look at it. Look at it. Back up again. Back up again. Back up again. Oh, fall back down again. Don't worry about it, y'all. Don't worry about it. Y'all ain't got nothing. Hey. Dang. But for real though, man, there's nothing wrong with these eBay wire harnesses, man, if you do your research, man. Do your research. Find out what you... First of all, if you got a truck motor, man, don't be dang on ordering no dang on LS1 harness, man, and you know that's for a car, man. That junk full of Camaros and stuff, man. Why y'all ordering them type of harnesses when you already know that? Well, I guess y'all don't know. Y'all just look at the first thing, goddamn, the first picture you see. Man, you gotta read, man. Listen, you shouldn't have to need no adapters. You shouldn't have to repin nothing. You shouldn't have to do none of that. You know why? Because, man, it's plug and play. It's plug and play for a reason. Y'all be complaining about wire harnesses. Y'all don't know nothing about it. Then, I had people in my comments, right? Oh, yes sir, hey, my man, what's your name? I forget your name, man. I forget your name. But you told me to hit you at, well, come back a couple months from now, which it ain't a couple months, it's a month from now, from the time I put it on or whatever. But man, look, I'm still out here. And I bet you ain't riding. I can't even remember your name because you been in my comments. I forget. I don't like that type of shit. You know why? Because the majority of y'all motherfuckers that talk, I ain't never seen y'all fucking car drive at all, bro. Just like the motherfucker I'm talking about in Willie Rebuild got their comments too. Oh, y'all, I told him, just like I said, because I made a short about the eBay for y'all got there and try to be messy and shit. I made the damn short video when I was in Lowe's parking lot, and I said y'all got Willie Rebuilds goddamn on our head about these eBay wire harnesses, man. Man, what y'all got going on? He chimed in, and I told him I've been gonna be on y'all head, and you know why? Because y'all ain't want to do y'all research. So y'all not wanting to do y'all research, so y'all, that means y'all feeding people goddamn bad information. You know what I mean? Y'all feeding people bad information because y'all's didn't work. What your situation got to do with my situation? Not a thing. Quit making everybody else's situation yours. Because yours ain't work, that don't mean mine ain't gonna work. You know what I mean? Yeah, don't be scared, bro. Hey, and for everybody else who trying to, you know what I mean, want to use the eBay wire harness, man, don't be scared, man. Just do your research, man, and make sure you get the right harness. If you know that you got a motor, if you know you got your motor out of a SUV or a truck, van, anything like that, and you got to drive by wire for especially them drive-by wire jokers. They feel like the drive-by wire and the drive-by cable are the same thing. Man, it's not the same thing, bro. It's not the same thing at all. Y'all dang on, y'all not operating the same way, dog. But listen, if y'all got y'all motor out of one of them, van, SUV, truck, don't order no LS1 harness. You gonna end up dang on having to dang on repin the harness. I'm telling you. If you don't believe me, ask Swaps and Stuff and ask Russ Horter Garage. Huh? Hey man, this is my 1 month review, man. Shit, we out here. You want me to crank it up one more time before we get up? Let me crank it up one more time because I'm tired of y'all. Let me show y'all one thing, man. Ain't nothing. Y'all see my son. I've been back at the house. Hey, y'all see my son playing basketball in the yard. Hey, man, make sure y'all there and tap in, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, man. Hey, this is just a little review, a little 1 month review, man. Yeah, I talk a little trash or whatever like that, man. But listen, that because everybody else want to talk trash, and then they be talking trash about stuff they don't know about. Cause your harness mess up, that supposed to be mine mess up. Mine ain't gonna mess up cause yours mess up. What that mean? Like, then like people tripping. But yeah, y'all see it. Tap in, man. Hey, this your boy 84 Cutty, man, aka Built on the Budget Junior, man. Hey, make sure y'all have a nice day out there, man, in these streets, man. Be safe. Hey, and we out.
But don't stop like Joe motivate. Suck a nigga